Hi there, it's Simon here. Hope you're good. We are going to learn Jailbreak by AC/DC today. 3 awesome riffs coming your way. Alright, so we're going to kick off with the very first riff. It's a chordy number. We're going to play an E. But before we do that, we've got a hit. So, and we're going to hammer on the E major chord, right? Right? So we've got, stop it, right? So, an A, a D, and then an A. Now that actually are quite important in this. D, A. All right, I think that is riff number 1. Riff number 2 is an A. We're going to hit an A. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. We're going to hit D with an F sharp, or D with an A bass, really. So what I'm doing there is I've got an A, and I'm covering up the 3rd fret of the B string, the 4th fret of the D string, and I've got A, F sharp, A, and D. So it's D with an A bass. So we're going to go A, 2, 4 of those. Repeat that. Then we're going to play a B. Now, we don't really have to play a full B major chord. Oh my God, an aeroplane, they still exist. So B, and then we're going to go to E, but instead of going to a regular E, like, we don't need to play that. We can just play the low 3, they are E, right? 0, 2, 2. So we've got 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. See what I mean? So then we hit a B again, and then 4 Ds. Okay, so that whole section was A, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, E. 2, 3, 4. Okay, next part, we are going to play the chorus. And the chorus, it's got rhythm guitar, but there's another guitar on top of that. So let's look at that riff now. It's quite tricky, this riff, because there's a few little sort of subtle variations throughout. So let's just do it bar by bar. So first bar, we've got 1 and 2E and 1 and 2E and. So you're sliding from 2 to 4 there, right? So open, open, 2 to 4, open. And then we're going to hit 5 on the A string. It's a D note, then C sharp. So, right, next bit. Now, we hit that, I hit that E on the 4.5, right? So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you'll notice that this time the riff is actually started on the 4 and, not on the 1. And that rings over the 1 onto the 1.5. All right, so you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the 3rd bar is exactly the same as the 2nd bar. Then in the 4th bar, we've got, I'll play the 3rd bar, so we've got that and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. You see what I mean? So from then on, you basically play kind of 3 E's in a row, linking up the 2 riffs. Yeah, so that you get. Now with your picking hand, you can just do alternate picking or kind of common sense picking, I don't know, whatever you like. But playing only down or only up would be probably not that ideal, so that you could do down, 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 down. But it just, you know, the more you can practice going, because what goes down must come up, right? And that is the final riff in this song. Now, obviously, there's also a guitar solo, but I'm not going to cover that today because I just wanted to cover the riffs. And that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please do subscribe and click the bell for future notifications of new lessons. They happen on Tuesdays and on Saturdays. And if you are able to support the channel from only $3 a month, go to patreon.com/Simon Morell. I'll see you next time. Get the overdrive pedal out and rock on to this awesome tune. See you next time.